How to remove payment method from Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to disconnect or remove your payment method from your Wix website. This objective or the objective from this video is going to be either changing the payment method if it is going to be getting old, or you're not going to be interested in receiving money into your Wix stores. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to find the site's dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to select one of the websites that we want to remove the payment method from, click on select and edit site. Wait some few seconds and you're going to see the dashboard loading up. Once we have the dashboard loaded, we are going to focus on the left side of the screen, which is going to be the control panel of the dashboard. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit until we're going to see settings. Click on settings, and then we're going to have the categories or the menu items. So from these, we are going to focus on the first one, which is going to be the finance and payments. So we are going to choose accept payments, and then we are going basically to see all the payment methods that are active. As you can see, in my case, I have only my PayPal, not the Stripe, not other ones, because this or the payment method should be connected while you have the premium plan, as you can see. So you can start accepting the online payments only by having the premium plan activated. So it doesn't matter, we have set up this just to test it out. So we are going to select the payment method and click on the button manage from here. After that, we're going to see the account information, the payment method available with it, and also here to stop accepting payments with the provider, like in my case here PayPal. Disconnect your account by clicking on the red button here. So we are going to click on disconnect, and then we're going to click on disconnect. This message, as you can see, is going to be the warning. So this means your customers won't be able to pay for your products or services with this payment method. If you have multiple payment methods, it doesn't matter a lot, so you're going to have the alternatives. But if you're going to have the only one like this one, I cannot or I can no longer receive payments. Click on disconnect. It is going to disconnect, and boom, you can go ahead and click on connect again and set up your address and also your credentials. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.